Locals object setting up of coronavirus quarantine center at UNNACCO school in Maitram. Imphal West District DC and Praveen appeals for cooperation. Additional Director of State Health Services Dr. Leshangtem RK says no positive case of coronavirus in Manipur till date. Total number of COVID 2019 cases across India reached 298 with 256 active cases, while total number of discharged cured COVID-19 cases across India reached 22. 15-hour general strike called by proscribed KCP MC Progressive against titular King Leshemba Sanadauba's nomination for Rajya Sabha election affects normal life in Manipur. Following government's recent order for closing markets across the state as safety measures against a novel coronavirus outbreak. Police personnel, including top officers, carry out cleanliness drives at KHWAIRAMBAND markets to prevent outbreak of novel coronavirus. And the Union Consumer Affairs Minister Ram Vilas Paswan says government has fixed prices for masks and sanitizers in light of COVID-19 outbreak. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Locals and members of Myra Paibi groups and local clubs continued their protests even today against conversion of UNNACCO school in Maitram into a coronavirus quarantine center. Impact News sources says scuffles occurred when officials brought in equipments for setting up quarantine facility in the school this morning. Irate locals vandalized the items and locked up the main gate of the school in agitation. Sources also said Imphal West DC and Praveen came to contain the situation, but he fails to pacify the irate locals. Subsequently, massive police force led by Bishnupur SP Priyadashni and Imphal West SP Megha Chandra rushed to the spot and dispersed the protesters. Speaking to media, a protester demanded the government to set up a hospital in Manipur in 10 days like it was constructed in China instead of converting schools into quarantine centers. The protester further demanded conversion of big hotels in the city into quarantine facilities if the government is unable to construct the hospital.
Hotel hire hotel Sidagi Hena Nalini, Upungatan is the lady Bamzi. Mahelo Sangang singing Tamam Moina Tamina Wakala Kalai Bumoima Kutom to Yagra Baba. Sigi the Butanko Swama Wahali Ganandagi. Anamba Panana never Kangeba Kojo. Panana Domapanzabo and long term plants in Bivaka Geba. Sinumitra Maini Kaxi that Tambajana magging a Sagi Bida Silono Hatmanga Madraba. Makata about the Tabaki Dogdori Geba. Hospital Mama Pama Mazaga Amas of Sabam, the Tamaga Hospital, Gananga. On the
other hand, Imphal West District DC and Praveen appeals to the public not to object the government's initiative to convert 5 schools of Imphal West into quarantine and isolation facilities for control and prevention of the anticipated risk of potential spread of COVID-19. Speaking to media, DC Praveen said locals are objecting to setting up of quarantine centers in the 5 schools due to the lack of proper understanding. He said quarantine centers are required for 14 days monitoring of people entering the state. He assured that locals in the vicinity of quarantine centers will not be affected at all.
Si tauram dai de khoi hadi expert me ham tanari herga madu sikadai de thamna phai kedung thamna phai adagi then akoi bi environment kamai kai kani kholakani hai bisi all aspect yinga khoi loina madu tanar mad le pai nen hairu aduna masi sira thamaga akoi de leiri ba environment sida immediately kai ru pirakani kholakani hai bigi madugi kanu ti khoi loina ba naina matung da masi absolutely 100% akai bi piroi hai dugi matugina madu taurum matung khoi lepak panen haijari aduna masi praja akoi lei prajasing madu khangbire herga se khoina government district administration local kano sida mateng pangbiu hai sei mayam da appeal tawjari.
Additional Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. Leshangthem RK, has clarified that there is no positive case of coronavirus in Manipur till date. Speaking exclusively to Impact News today, Dr. RK disclosed that test results of 17 people out of the total 18 who returned recently from coronavirus-affected countries came out negative, while the remaining one person is yet to be tested as the person has failed to meet criteria for testing. He added that as per the Indian Council of Medical Research, people coming from 7 countries with a widespread outbreak of coronavirus pandemic should be quarantined. Dr. RK also said that those who just returned from countries with less positive cases of coronavirus and other states of India affected by coronavirus need not be quarantined.
Malin Pumbuda Maru in India, Madi Quigi, India to one state sing the coronavirus and Ropas in Maram Werga, Manipurasu, Hariba, Lena Makalasi, Laktanamaki, Pakaliba, Sumaba, Obats, Kintorankia, Siki Marakta, Hojuzik, Karamna Pakaliba, Amadi, Mashida, Kadi Kadi Makata Pakapayaba, Lady Bagi Habigi, Hiramasiki Matang, the Hosea Unagariba say, Manipur Health Services Key, Additional Director, Wediba, Dr. Leshangthem RK, Dr. Ahan Budaki, Hojuk Fauda, Hojuk Faubuina, Manipur. Confirm with a case, Labidabra, Chinabana Kea
suspected case, I Singnaba Haidarequa, Taraga, Nippon Sura, Ama deep test of Namdraka, Masi, Magi, quick definition card lady of criteria, Masisudaba.
Dr. Quigi, how you Quigi Manipur Lengaki Makada, quarantine, Mapam Keada, Kea Tame, Hyper quarantine, Sida, Quigi, Muika, would you probably have good time.
Masigi criteria curly Masit Hamnaba, Haid Amana, Quigi. Isolation haibama adagi isolation sitana koi hospital anaba mi thamgradaba masidi hospital natradi thamba yadra isolation digi khara henjela kanda da ICU da lakadoini ICU ga isolation ga ji same hospital da legadoini ko aduga sungna sunna driba lamdi chaluba sugumba mi sina krai thamgati bo koi quarantine da thamneba quarantine hari sidi kaino mi si sungna henadriba mini narak pasu yai narak tabsu yai adu ma sina high risk khara lei haibagi koi na tambani adu nei koi na huji popuda koi inda government gi ngarang mak thokpa koi change khar ga tawi matam gi koi gi China Korea France Germany Spain Italy Iran mois dagi lakpa mi singsi quarantine natraga isolation da thamgana ba Hari banga in Panjak Lebak Tadet Sidi Lakpami Singsi, direct Moisi quarantine center the Tamgrana. Quarantine center the Tamakanda Sita, Matangi Nubet, next day Sida, medical na, Sekap Tauraga, Karam Garamba Muina, Muktadok Yade, Hainamum, Piriaba. The same body, a quiggy, awareness, Mayam Sida Pibo, Lahoba Hidare. Aswandi Puraga, say Uziki Hariba Kairao the Tamjale, Kairaugi Minaro, Hibidi, Quiggy, Kano, the Yogi Kano Nativa, Kairaugi Mina Taragadi, Agi Minari. I hide the Agi state Minarini, Adona Masi Equina, Naro and a Kalaga. Masagi guideline the Piriba Kai, Pazana Tauragati, Masi, so and a Kalaga, Mayam the Tozabaka no the Masi, Tashian have the Mayamziga, Puna Paminaraga, Siamosing, Zika Paminaraga, the Wadi Sabagi Matosi, Diana, I can say.
Kogi, Hojikogi, upon Lebak, Kara, Trepan Bireko, Masi Nataba, India affected states in there. Sidagi Lak Pasingidi, quarantine, Tambi Matota, the Bram.
India gi mafam sing this is amta hydreba atai leiba sida masda ICMR raina Indian Council of Medical Research ina muhina hujiki India da thoiba hujik nariba mi singsi ahabade import warambadagi hujdi local spread like resin local spread sidi magi mi imung manungi maga samnaba yam close oiba mi kharada muk boigani atai woiroi sinab ICMR da confirm tawrabani khoigi cost effective oiba mong de yang bukanda sida atai yam close oidaba sumna lambi phawra chalubu kholubusi positive oiroi aduna mohaisi ekoina test tawbagi natraga quarantine tawbagi mathau tate sin
कोई एग्जांपल होना इतारे कोई बॉलीवुड की अफाव सिंगर कोनिका कपूर है ना माँ से यूके देगी लाख कोनी माँ न मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट तार मतुंगा माँ चेक तोरे माँ टेम्परेचर ओले कोई हिट तौर ना माँ से चल मतुंगा लखनऊ दा माँ से फेवर लाख पड़ेगी माँ से टेस्ट हो मतलब ना पॉजिटिव ओले ना हो से माँ का थेंगनरू बच्च मिनरू मयाम दो लोग मक ट्रेस तो बगी मलाई सी उतार का दी सी की सेम केस से कोई मणिपुर सुकरी गुम्बा स्टेट मैम से लाइव से मणिपुर अगुब अखोना क्वारंटाइन थमदबीद सेंक्शन मतम सेम केस से मणिपुर थोलप जाए ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯤ
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯞꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯏꯇꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 14ꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯀꯨꯕꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯗꯁꯤ 2 to 14 days ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 14ꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ क्वारंटाइन यूमदा क्वारंटाइन तौबियु सिन हाइदि यूमदा इसाना खंगना क्वारंटाइन तौबियु मसीदा यादबसु यौरकनी खरा लमहेनबा कैदोबा मसी अखोइना हुजि याम कन खन्नजरिसि मसी पुलिस तौरगा तौसिरा अदुना अखोइ मी लिसिंग लिसिंग थम्बु कांदा मसीदैसिदा अखोइगी कोस इफेक्टिव ओइदबा हाइदारे अदुबु मसी नोनिनी लेरगदे आईडी चेंज तौरकदबगी मोंग माले हुजि हुजि की गाइडलाइन ददी मसी यावदबा अदुगी अदुबो अखोइ स्टेटना करी लोखत्सिगे अखोइना ngसाइगी अतैदगी लाकपा एनी फॉरेनर सिंजे कोइ क्वारंटाइन तौसिरा हाइ लेबक तरेत सिदा नतना अतोपसु लाई हाइजरिबको मसीबो कोइ प्रपोजल दि तौजेबो कैगनो कोइ सेक्शन बाइजिन हेन फैना इंडिया दै लाइबा मी सिंसिसु अखोइ क्वारंटाइन तौबा फबरा हाइदना अखोइ गवर्नमेंट दा अखोइ प्रपोजल दि पीरिब इंदा गवर्नमेंट गी बदि यावजद्रगसु अखोइना सेक्शन बाइजिन हेन फबरा हाइदना अखोइ प्रपोजल अखोइ खनबदि लैरि अदो हुजि हुजि मक्कीदि अखोइ मसी पांथोकपदि हौजद्रि
नुआजे हाइबदि अखोइगी मियामना पाखतनरिबा इंडिया की तोंगान तोंगान स्टेट सिंगदगी लाकपा मणिपुर की महेरोइसिंग मणिपुर की थबक मपाना तौबा मियोइसिंगदा अखोइना क्वारंटाइन थमदबदगी बिपाइरिबा सि मरुइना इंडियन काउंसिल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च की गाइडलाइंस मतुंगिना हाइरिबा स्टेट सिंग अदुदा कम्युनिटी लेवल दा स्प्रेड तौद्री हाइबदि याम नकनाबा मागी लेकाई लेकाई दा छंदोकपा तौदबना मरम ओइरगा असिगुंबगी रिस्क से लैते मरम अदुना मखोइसिंग अदु क्वारंटाइन तौबगी मथौ तादे हाइबा अदुगुंबा इसकन मखादा क्वारंटाइन तौदबनी अदुबु हाइरिबा चना कांगलोनसी अखोइगी नोंमनिनी सिगी मनुंगदा अमुकसु होंगपा याबगी फिबमदा लैरि दुगा नकल अमरोमदा इम्फाल वेस्ट हौजु हौजिंगमा क्वारंटाइन अमा लैरि हाइबदी लेगांग थोखिबा स्कूल मंगागी मनुंगदा यूनाको स्कूल खक हौजिक फावबा क्वारंटाइन ओइना थमली अदुगा इम्फाल ईस्टना टीवी हॉस्पिटल केराउदो लेबा टीवी हॉस्पिटल ला क्वारंटाइन सेंटर ओइना थमली अदुबु हारिबो सिंगसी मतम मतमगी मतुंगिना कोई गाइडलाइंस दा होंगपई मतुंगिना हेंगलकपसु यारे हाइबा फमदुनि दुगा मियामना क्वारंटाइन थंबा मतमदा लैबा अकीबा दु थादोकपियु हाइबनि मसिना करिगुम मखल अमतगी असोकपा अकोइबदा लेबा मियामदा पिरु हाइबा योफमदुनि हजिकु नदिकी मै पर्सन इरो मोसागलोना परमजरिबा इकिटमेम प्रेमचान इम्पैक्ट न्यूज इम्फाल
Confirmed cases of COVID-19 in India have reached 298. The total number of active COVID-19 cases across India is 256, while total number of discharged or cured COVID-19 cases across India is 22, as per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Malls, supermarkets, as well as Mumbai metropolitan region will remain shut down with immediate effect till March 31st. There are 34 new novel coronavirus cases, including 3 cases at West Bengal, 11 in Maharashtra, 3 each in Punjab and Ladakh, and 1 new case each in Noida, Gujarat and Karnataka. The virus has affected more than 285,000 people worldwide, out of which 93,584 people have recovered and 11,876 people have died so far. COVID-19 has killed more than 4,000 people in Italy alone. 15-hour general strike called by proscribed KCP-MC Progressive against titular King Leshemba Sanajauba's nomination for the Rajya Sabha election has affected normal life in the state today. The general strike started at 6 a.m. and will end at 8 p.m. today. Roads bore deserted looks as all interstate and inter-district passenger vehicles ceased operations except for a few private vehicles running for emergencies. All business establishments, including oil pumps and even banks, remained shut down. Manipur police personnel are being deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incident. It may be mentioned that BJP candidate titular King Leshemba Sanajauba will face Indian National Congress candidate Tongbram Mangi Babu for the lone Rajya Sabha Manipur seat on March 26. Various proscribed groups and civil society organizations of the state had condemned the titular king's decision to contest the election and has even demanded him to abdicate if he is adamant to face the election. Yangon Pokpi Bazaar of Lamlai constituency in Imphal East also bore deserted looks today due to the proscribed outfit's general strike amid the governor's recent order to close down major markets in Manipur till March 25 as safety measures against COVID-19. Only few vehicles were seen running in the area. Major markets of Zirbam district like Borobekra Bazaar, KEITHEL, Gwarol Tol Bazaar, Lalpani Bazaar and Jakurador Bazaar also ceased operations after the recent government's order to close down markets in view of COVID-19. Meanwhile, Zirbam District Health Society along with Zirbam District Police Health Screening is carrying out full swing screening for COVID-19 upon outsiders at Babupara in the district. Deputy Commissioner Technopole District has ordered closing down of markets in Moreh town for 5 days. Moreh police carried out publicity to avoid mass gatherings and to cease market activities in Moreh town last night as well as this morning. Market areas and roads in the border town look deserted in the wake of the situation. State Police, including top officers of Imphal West District Police, City Police Station and Imphal West District Police have taken stern measures against COVID-19. Seizing the opportunity of the markets, closing down of the markets, State Police Department carried out heavy cleanliness drives in KHWAIRAMBAND markets today. Dirts were cleaned up and disinfectants were sprayed in the market areas. Speaking on the sidelines, officer in charge of City Police Station, Maibam Sudhir Kumar, appeals to the public to take utmost precaution against novel coronavirus. He urged the public to keep their surroundings neat and clean and to heed authorities and experts' advice on coronavirus.
Manipur Police Department na IMC gi ate well wisher sing mateng lauraga clean up city maruina congested oramba jaga sing public hen tilama jaga sing ase ngasi sigi khong cha thokjaraga khoina SP sar gi ate senior officer sing gi liching makhada pangthok chabani responsible citizen ama oina mayam gi praja gi seva khara dorsu khoina kari tauba ngambage haiba level do adu bauni khoina tawjrise aduga prajada maruina khoina appeal tawjaningina hariba anaba sidi hoji phabuda hoi prithvi sida hidak langthak leitri haina adu mayamna akhangi mayam takpiri the government na hariba kholiba public place da get obiganu punjan biganu isagi tangai phate haiba thabak thorom sing adu tang attend to biu even employee work da home dagi thabak subiu haribaduni appeal tawjaningmadi government na haigera hairoira thana na haigera hairoira isa na angama makai luna lebiba sanitizer ni adu da gi wak aslete sapon khangde ama khangde anything sabu hygiene obiya poloma sina duna yungi khangde anywhere surrounding se neat and clean thambiraga sathi de balena asigi hidar anthal actibau proper treatment phangdibau dadi khado isu kanthona ba honamina se haiduna praja da appeal to jari kaithena ba se matam sangna thingma leiba ya banate hanga agasu madu praja na responsible kano lobiraga ai phado polomgi natraga du lakpiu amaga mayam cooperation pinaraga masidadi akoi mayam changduna mateng pangminaraga laina tena sidadi sandohan gumse haibi ai thagi taraktagi the hoi department taratagi thamjari.
Meanwhile, Communist Party of India CPI Manipur Council has urged the government to take measures against COVID-19 with a concrete planning to avoid bringing plights to daily wage earners in the wake of government's recent order to close down market areas. Speaking to media at Iravat Bhavan in Imphal today, CPI National Executive Member and former Minister Dr. M. Narasit, CPI will cooperate government's initiatives to prevent COVID-19. However, the government's recent order to close major markets of the state for 5 days will bring immense plights to the daily wage earners. Stating that the Kerala government has provided food items to poor families amid measures to contain the virus, Dr. M. Nara urged the state government to follow suit. He also urged the government to take stricter measures at entry points of national highways and airport.
Numi mangani kithian kabi yaroi haiba porsi lakandadi leram porsi phurkhaw yaw paisa na pulp leiba panic buying edu madu sarkar na tobinu haigalei adudi karmaina no tawgadorise pote punamgi mamal hegale sadharon leriba praja punamasidi tobam kangdab confusion amada leire aisum tajabada government ki order si inna bonai adubu leriba doctors sing nurses paramedical mayam equipment di yaudana moi mathau tawnu bonabada moisu chana na confusion amada leire sarkar lauthoi basi thabak oin onthorpada karamaina mai pakadagi si haibam kangdab makak leiri swaidani aikhoina khajitang government da punging changna sida alternative arrangement masisu puthongna bohona biu mayam se wabagi mathakta awaba lakpadagi kanna bohona bada step kharadi review tawbugi tangai phadaba leiban len khal.
Convener of Coordinating Committee All Manipur Youth and Students Welfare Association AMY and SWA, KHWAIRAMBAND has urged the government to take necessary measures to ward off COVID-19 outbreak even at children homes in the state. The committee today distributed hand sanitizers and masks to children inmates of Hope Home for Girls at Takiel Kongbal, Maning. Doctors of Shiza Hospital also raised awareness on novel coronavirus among the children. Speaking on the sidelines, KHWAIRAMBAND expressed disappointment that the government has failed to take safety measures at children homes, though it has declared holidays in all the schools of the state as preventive measures against COVID-19.
Home loina na ngasai maruina kana lejadraba haitare ne khoi yengsen binaba leibidraba khoi kana lejadraba home sing sida de khoi lengak na si kari masigi khoi anouba moi gi damakta haitare anouba section thorang kari paikhat pirige haibduma coordinating committee gi maiki gi hangjari loina na school college sing loina na hostel ayamba loina mak khoi gi magi mari lena ba department sing na khoi gi notice tho kan sida mkhoi gi oiba khoi gi tongan ba section thorang kaya amadi lobi khre aduga loina na children home dagi leiriba khoi kana lejadraba khoi chasing inausing sigi damakta su khoina mari lena ba authority sing gi puning singjan birakanda athu matam dam yeng changbirakanda haitare laina sidagi ngakthok naba khoi awareness loina na mari lena ba authority yeng changbiyo.
Additional Chief Secretary, Tribal Affairs and Hills Government of Manipur in a press release notified that a recruitment process for the vacant post of Hills Department 6 ADC Manipur has been suspended until further notice in the wake of COVID-19 situation. While press release from the Directorate of Art and Culture, Government of Manipur has urged the public to refrain from ritualistic climbing of Baruni, Kaubru and other hills, Lai Harauba, Thabal Chongba or other ceremonies on Sajibu, Nongma Panba Maite Charauba as well as Gaura Chairauba as preventive measures against COVID-19. Now with that, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on government fixing prices for face masks and sanitizers in light of COVID-19 outbreak. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Government is keeping a close watch on the prices of every essential commodity. Union Consumer Affairs Minister Ramvilas Paswan tweeted that the government has fixed the prices for face masks and sanitizers in light of the COVID-19 outbreak. Ramvilas Paswan said that under the Essential Commodities Act, no extra charges can be levied on the fabric used for manufacturing of face masks. He informed that the 2 and 3 layered mask would cost 8 and 10 rupees respectively, while a 200 milliliter bottle of hand sanitizer is priced at 100 rupees. The minister asserted that the prices would remain same till 30th June this year. Iramdam Miyamgi Apunba Khorjai Loop Imakol has indefinitely postponed its 18th Foundation Day celebrations scheduled at Adimjati Siksha Ashram and Hall, Chingmei, Imphal on March 26 in view of COVID-19 situation. Ipudhau Marjing Kubam Kanba Loop has also suspended all kinds of ritualistic activities at the shrine from March 22nd till 31st in view of COVID-19 situation, while ICL and SUO have also cancelled a Tapta night scheduled at Boat in Palace Compound on March 27 and Sajibu Kudol Tamba event scheduled at Citizen Club in Soibam Laikai on April 7 due to COVID-19 situation. Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme ECHS Polyclinic Imphal conducted novel coronavirus screening at Ex-Servicemen Health Care Center in Koirangay today. Ex-servicemen from various districts of the state along with their family were tested for the virus. Student bodies, DESAM and AIMS have urged the state's civil society urged the state's civil society organizations to extend their support and cooperation to all the government's initiatives to prevent COVID-19 outbreak. Stating that they have formed a team of 100, the student bodies appeals to the government to make them one of the task forces to fight against COVID-19 in the state. Manipur State Commission for Women MSCW has banned entry of complainants at its complex until March 31st in view of pandemic coronavirus situation. Complainants may call MCSW's temporary helpline numbers 943-643-9490 or 961-225-4150 or 883-747-4301 or 700-578-6267 for queries. Amid the rising apprehension over pandemic coronavirus outbreak, a young Pondicherry biker is making an attempt to become the youngest ever rider to tour the country. 19-year-old Revant Sai from Yanam in Pondicherry reached Imphal yesterday as a part of his nation tour on his bike. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Revant Sai said he will stay in Imphal for 3 days to raise awareness on center's flagship programs like Swachh Bharat, Fit India, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and others. He has biked through Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura before coming to Manipur. Reverend Sai said he aspires to secure a Guinness World Record of the youngest ever rider to tour the country. He said authorities concerned have extended necessary help to him, though many people were reluctant to come close to him due to the current COVID-19 situation. Revenant added that he was allowed to entry in Manipur only after attaining fitness certificate issued by the relevant authority, stating that he still needs to travel to states like Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Bihar to complete his journey. Revenant expressed worry whether he will be able to complete his journey or not owing to current coronavirus situation.
Coronavirus, it was a huge problem for me because now I can't get hotels anywhere and people don't like to contact with me. But at this time, because of my state government given me a certificate, because of that I was visiting local DC office and I was going there, sir, this is my problem, I was facing like this problem, can you provide me anything? So they used to provide some rooms for me. When I was facing a problem, every state government helped for me, even Manipur state. I'm so happy for each and every.
Kokomi, a conglomerate of various civil society organizations of the state, has donated food items and interacted with victims of both the villages involved in the recent Chasad incident in Kamjong district. Speaking on the sidelines today, Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam termed the tragic incident where many houses were burnt down in Chasad village as unfortunate. Stating that Manipur is inhabited by various communities, Sunil Karam appeals to everyone to live in harmony and to cooperate each other in making Manipur a better place.
Haukiba oiragasu haujikti khul anigi khundangna lerakanda nungaitna leiba haibase amaga chi chakot baigeda amata por oi tabodabu haujik leiriba nungaitrabo mayam singse hana relief torakanda asumba haibaduna government su committee ma semjarakanda tabu potuna adumagi achumba magi kana no haibadu dum laani ahan bagi oinadi ekoi masen khulani sigi amasung ekoi maseli marakta yamna afaba nungsinabagi atmosphere ma poraknaba honaba matamda khulani sigi marak sida kari taro karma makalgi nungaiba punchirol lamada porko yaga dagi haiba matamdasu laksariba kokomegi maikai khunsi thaudang pibirakandasu ekhoina maduda khona minaba yaba madugi sharing jo ekhoi logjage government nasu hauji yumai sakhibada nongai traba aduga yumai mayamsisu makhoi gi pibam thokpa adugumba compensation pibiu.
Speaking to media, Secretary of Eastern Kuki Chief Association Saimang Haukip urged the government to take necessary welfare measures for the victims at the earliest. He also appeals to deploy adequate security forces to safeguard the village. While President of Tangkhul Kuki Welfare Association M. Chithung said a peace committee is being formed to take measures to avoid such tragic incidents in the future. He appeals to bring reconciliation without creating Naga Kuki issue out of the incident.
Lamasi jati kuting punba jagani na hanadi asomdadi security se matik kaya chate na kala aduna permanent oina armed security fan biraga state kise atop pagina taba tasat police station se mapung phalaga aduda ayu nongdang da apa patawa moina kitan yinsinadi mayam gi damakra nungai gidra haina patawa thokwa moina kitan yinsinadi khoi damakta teng safe oi gidra habisu masima haina
mob haibisidi kanana shu khamba ngamdabanina masidi this is not intentional but accidental ni aina moi bushu haibani adu moi shu accept tawri ekoi local gi oina valuation purokhrese masida ekoina valuation purakpa matamda da mi mayam corner da a kaino da leriba mayam se adum subside tawgani haibagi damakta ekoi kanna hotnari aduga ngasi shu ekoi photo lawmi naraga hayeng press da ekoi shumaina peace chathari mayam se ekoi kari oirasu masidigi hendok sindok na phattaba irang se haudananga hena ekoi shem sargan.
Helps are pouring in from every quarter for blood cancer patient Guru Mayim Roberto from Kongba Ketri Laikai, who topped COSM Class 12 for examination 2019 in the commerce stream. Roberto is undergoing treatment for first-stage blood cancer at Jennings Hospital. Members of a WhatsApp group called Ipao Tengbang Loop today extended 23,200 rupees for his treatment. Speaking to media at Jennings Hospital, admin of the WhatsApp group K.OMEX said they came across Roberto's condition on Impact News and other media outlets. He also assured of extending possible help to others who are in need. K.OMEX urged people of the state to cultivate the habit of helping those in crisis.
Kuna mating paning bagi awakan pol kibasi koi suna lewak Impact News koi lampau hariba koi media singa sida koi thengna jabdagi koi mating asi pangge hadan sab yungna khanjara koi mating pangjabani makhata na koi tungan ba koi sumba koi leitlaira tola taraba na ek sing koi makhata na mating pangna bhona jagi gani loinana Manipur gi leibiriba koi tungan ba NGO sangsthan sing kwai khudimong na su Robert gi damakta angam mating pangbiyu amasung mana kitang thuna phagalaktuna magi tungi asa sauron thamjari
Acting on a tip-off, a team of 20 Assam Rifles has seized brown sugar worth 1 crore 2 lakh rupees at Kudengthabi Permanent Motor Vehicle Checkpost in Tengnopal district. According to Impact News sources, the contraband drugs were recovered from an eco van during a frisking operation at a checkpost at around 4 p.m. yesterday. 53 packets of brown sugar weighing around 603 grams were found hidden inside a gunny bag. The drug peddler is identified as Journey Kaishing, wife of late Sasangmi Kaishing from Chetrik Kuno village in Ukhrul district. The miscreant along with the seized drugs was handed over to Moreh police station. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Locals object setting up coronavirus quarantine center at UNNACCO school in Maitram. Imphal West District DC and Praveen appeals for cooperation. Additional Director of State Health Services Dr. Leshangtem RK says no positive case of coronavirus in Manipur till date. Total number of COVID-19 cases across India reached 298 with 256 active cases, while total number of discharged cured COVID-19 cases across India reached 22. A 15-hour general strike called by proscribed KCPMC Progressive against titular King Leshembasana Jauba's nomination for Rajya Sabha election affects normal life in Manipur. Following government's recent order, markets across the state remain shut down as safety measures against novel coronavirus outbreak. Police personnel, including top officers, carry out cleanliness drives at KHWAIRAMBAND markets to prevent outbreak of novel coronavirus. And Union Consumer Affairs Minister Ramvilas Paswan says government has fixed prices for masks and sanitizers in light of COVID-19 outbreak.